You like that dress from Babandita?
Yeah. Oh, the card.
A princess card! Open it up!
Let's see what it says. Look!
Cool.
It's not a card.
It's a card and it has stickers.
And lots of pretty stuff.
Here, you want me to read what it says?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll read it in a second and then I can. You want me to tell you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, I'll read it. Keep it, and then I'll finish the video.
Whoa, I love this dress the most.
I love this dress the most, too. What do you say to Babandita?
Thank you, Babandita.
What about that one?
I love this one.
Yay!
Oh, nothing more.
Hey, but you didn't like that bounce house they sent you.